Alright, quick view here, Under the Wing 78 in progress, video part 32, Friday morning, July 28th, 2023. There are 4 larger sized allegorical sea monsters, 3 of which are now done. This one here, this one here, this one here, and I'm working. Thank you. That's FOWL, by the way. I don't want any English teachers rioting. Not FOUL, FOWL. All right, there we have it, to be continued. Good work, budgies. I appreciate your input. Not feedback, it's feedback. That's friends write on Facebook about birds, like crows, ravens, seagulls. Bach! Parakeets and cockatiels, too.